Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this Mobile2b review, we will see if this business progress management BPM software is the answer you've been looking for in 2025. So let's get started with the information and introduction about this website. Mobile2b is a tool that helps business work better. It lets you create a way to get things done called a workflow automation. This means many tasks can run by themselves. You can also use it to audit or check how things are going. Plus, it helps you with customer support so you can help your customers easily. Mobile2b can integrate or work together with other tools you already use. It helps you automate tasks so you don't have to do them by hand. You can even verify that things are done correctly. So talking about the top benefit about this platform called Mobile2b, it helps you to digitalize your paperwork. This means you can say goodbye to messy paper and have everything online. You can get a solution tailored just for your business with Mobile2b. We can help you set up to work exactly how you need. Also help you with optimize and find the best and fastest way to do things. Now talking about the best features on this platform, Mobile2b has some really cool things it can do to help you or help your work better and your business run better. So one of these nice features is the workflow automation together with the process optimization and the rapid development, which help you with your business, and the full customization and an AI integration. So talking about the pros and cons, understanding the good or bad points help you decide if the Mobile2b is the right fit for your business. So talking about the pro, which is the good part of this platform, which is the boosting productivity easily. It also offers solutions to tailor perfectly and also automate many daily processes. No code makes it simple to use, and it provides valuable real-time data. Talking about the downside, it is advanced and features cost more. Also, initial setup may take time and integrate with all systems may be not. Thanks.